Assalamu alaikum. I am Amiyo Bhattacharjee. I will take mathematics class of class 8. Okay, today we'll discuss chapter 7, that is regarding set. I think all of you will cooperate. Thank you very much.
Do
Now the question is, what is set? What is set? Set is a collection of objects which is well defined. Set is a collection of objects which is well defined. Okay, write down. A set is a well defined collection of distinct objects. Write down the definition. Okay. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. What is meant by this? Try to understand. Suppose its notation is okay, it is denoted by second bracket. This is second bracket. It is denoted by second bracket. Denoted by, okay, and it is denoted by capital letters, okay. Suppose E is a set and we have here T for table. On the table we see that we have plate, P for plate, we have S for spoon, we have Z for glass, we have mat, M for mat. Have you seen? T for table. On the table we see plate, spoon, glass, mat. But the interesting fact that we don't have only one plate, we don't have only 3 or 6 spoons, we don't have only one glass, we don't have only one mat. Okay, normally there are 6 plates, 6 spoons, 6 glasses, 6 mats, this type of. So set does not indicate the number of items. It does not indicate that there are 6 plates. It does not indicate. It does not indicate that there are 10 glasses. It does not indicate. It does not mean that there are 12 mats. You understand? So set, it's actually so it does not show, okay, that how many mats are there on the table. It does not mean. It does not mean how many glasses are there on the table. Okay? Actually, plate, spoon, glass, and mat. Okay, they form a set. Table, T for table. Okay. Another thing. Suppose A equals to 1, 2, 3. You understand? And one has written A equals to 1, 3, 2. Okay, you can tell that yes, it's not a set. Is it a set? Is it a set? What's your answer? Is it a set? A equals to 1, 3, 2. Is it a set? Or A equals to 1, 2, 3, it is a set? You can answer yes sir, it's not a set. Okay? But no. It is a set, it is also a set. Set does not mean that it is to be organized in ascending order or descending order. Okay? Actually, the elements are there, it matters. The elements are there, it matters. Okay? And the elements are well defined or not. By 1, 3, 2, we understand 3 different digits. Okay? So A is a set. Don't think that it is to be written in ascending order or it is to be written in descending order. It is wholly and fully bogus. Okay? If you write this, you are right. If you write this, you are also right. No need to arrange or no need to rearrange it in ascending order or descending order. Okay? So this is also a set, this is also a set. Now, I am writing another set. A equal to Nazrul my question is to you now, is A set or not? Like me. Is what you understand by Nazrul, we understand our national poet. It means the first Bangla first letter of okay, of Bangla alphabet, and of course it is vowel. This is the first letter of English alphabet. Greek alphabet is the 9th letter of English alphabet. So all the elements indicated here in the second bracket are well defined. So we can say, we can call A set. Now union. Suppose two sets A and B. We are going to consider two sets A and B, and their union is write down A union B. Okay, A union B is equal to X, where X belongs to A, X belongs to A, or X belongs to B. And intersection. Suppose A intersection B is equal to X belongs to A, and X belongs to B. Every time this type of MCQ is always given. Okay? You just see the difference here. Or when it is union, it is or. When it is intersection, then it is and. That is, here and means it is common. And means here common. Okay? Our answer will be those elements which are common to both the sets A and B. Which are common to both the sets A and B. Suppose A equals to 1, 2 and B equals to 2, 3. So A union B is equal to here 1, 2, 3. See, there are two 2's, okay, but we won't take two 2's, okay. First time I told you that it's not necessary to mention that there are 6 mats on the table, okay. It's not necessary. So here it's not necessary to write down these two times. Again, A intersection B equals to what? A intersection B equals to 2. I told you intersection means common, okay. See, A intersection B equals to X, where X belongs to A and X belongs to B. What the answer we have got here? 2. Okay, if we read that 2 belongs to set A and 2 belongs to the set B. Have you seen? We are using the word and. I repeat, 2 belongs to the set A and 2 belongs to the set B. Have you got me? 2 belongs to the set A and 2 belongs to the set B. For this we have used and. Okay. Here A union B. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3. You see these elements. They belong to either A or B or both. Have you seen? All the elements belong to A, okay, or B or both. That means here 1, 2 belong to the set A. 2, 3 belong to the set B. Okay. This is the formula that is to remember always. Okay. So because it is given in the examination, what is A union B? When union, it is or. When it is intersection, it is and. Okay. It can be expressed in Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Upon his name, Venn was a mathematician, and upon his name, it is called Venn diagram. You see, what is Venn diagram? This is A and this is B. This is 1, 2, 3. Have you seen? Have you seen? In the set A, we have 1, 2, 1, 2. In the set B, the elements are 2, 3. Elements are 2, 3. And where A and B have intersected, A and B have intersected in this part. Okay? This is the intersection. Intersection. Okay, both the sets have intersected at this point. Okay, so this is 2 intersection, point of intersection, and union all 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Suppose empty set. Empty set. Empty or null set. A set having no element. Write down a set having no element. That is empty set does not have any element. You understand? Empty set does not have any element. It is denoted by, it is expressed by only second bracket or this. This is called empty set. The empty set is expressed by only a second bracket or this sign. You understand? Can you tell me? It is a question to all of you. From which language this notation or this sign has been taken? It is a question to you. Please let me know. from which language this sign has been taken? Okay, I have got some answers that yes, it has been taken from Greek language. But my dear students, it is absolutely wrong. There is no relation, okay, of this letter with Greek alphabet. Have you got me? I repeat, there is no relation of this letter with Greek alphabet. Actually, there are about 29 letters in Danish, okay, or Norway language, Danish. What I am writing? Danish language or Norway, okay. Or there are about 2 to 3 small countries where in their languages this letter is written. You understand? Danish, Norway. Anyway, you see, what is its name? Normally, all the mathematicians call it empty set. Normal, it is an empty set, okay? But it has another name. Suppose its pronunciation is like this: EU. Okay, O, just O. Okay. Somewhere it is also written. Suppose this. In Danish, it is pronounced like this. Okay. If we pronounce it, it will be, you understand, like this, sister. Okay. Suppose somewhere it can be written like this, B. Okay. What is meant by this? Barn. If you pronounce it barn, B-U-R-N, barn. Barn. Have you seen barn? B-U-R-N. This is written. Okay. Just so it is from taken Danish language, okay, or Norwegian language, okay. Now, suppose A is equal to 1, 2 and B equals to 3, 4. Have you seen this? Is there any intersection? Is there any intersection? Is there any common? This is 1, 2 and this is 3, 4. A, B. Have they intersected? No, they have not intersected. That is their disjoint set. Now, if I write what is A intersection B? What is A intersection B? They don't intersect. So our answer is this, second bracket. Only second bracket, that is called empty set. Or we can write like this, A intersection B equals to empty set. Okay? A intersection B equals to null set or empty set. Okay? You understand? There is no intersection. You write down, suppose A intersection empty set is equal to empty set. That is, the intersection of any set with empty set. You just try to understand. The intersection of any set with the intersection of any set with empty set is always empty. okay, is always empty. As for example, A equals to 1, 2 and B equals to empty set. That means A intersection B equals to what? Is there any intersection? No. So our answer is empty set. Okay? Our answer is empty set. Now, 2. A union empty set is A. Okay, that means union of any set with empty set is that set. Okay. Here, if I write here B union empty set, that is B. Okay. Here, if we write B intersection empty set, that is empty set. You understand? Suppose B equals to 1. Okay, and A equals to empty set. So A union B will be only 1. Okay, most of the students have tendency to write down, and that is the wrong procedure. That is the wrong procedure to write down the answer here like this: 1 empty set. It is absolutely wrong. Huh? Okay, A union B. Okay. Empty set is written there where there is no element, but there is an element here. So we will not write the empty set. Okay? Try to understand. A union empty set equals to A. Okay? Suppose complement of set. Complement. What is meant by this? You see, this is U. U for what? U for universal set. U for universal set. Okay. Now, this is A. Suppose this is A. This is 1, 2. Okay. And this is suppose 3. What is meant by this? What is meant by this? Here, U means 1, 2, 3. A means 1, 2. Okay. Now, if you are told to determine A complement, this is A complement, or it is to be written C for complement, A prime or A complement. Okay. Just try to understand. A complement or A prime. Okay. I am going to write down A complement. A complement equals to what? A complement means, write down the elements which will not lie, which will not belong to A. It is a formula U difference. In set we will pronounce this difference, not minus. Okay, I repeat, A complement means U difference A. So if you omit the elements of A from U, elements of A, what are the elements of A? This is 1. So we have to omit 1. This is 2. We have to omit this 2 from universal set. That means 1, 2, 3 difference A. A means what? 1, 2. Now, what will be left here? Only 3. U difference A. That means the elements don't belong to A. U difference A. A prime means U difference A. A prime means the elements don't belong to A. Suppose I am writing B prime. B prime means what? U difference B. C prime means what? U difference C. In this way. Okay? You understand? Again, if we write down like this, U equals to 1, 2, and A equals to 1. So what is U difference A? U difference A equals to 1 to difference 1. Now, okay, what I told that our in the answer the elements will not belong to A. Very good. So this is 1, this is 1. Okay. So this one will not be taken anymore. So our answer is only 2. These two does not belong to A. That means our answer, the elements, okay, that we will get must not belong to the set A. Okay. U difference A means what? U difference A means A complement. A complement. Okay. Try to understand. Another question that I am going to write down again and again. A prime equals to what? U difference A. Very good. Now, if it is told A prime prime equals to what? Write down. A prime prime. What is the answer? Can you write me? Okay. I have got some students writing the right answer. Anyway, all of you please pay attention. What is the formula? Just write down U difference A. This is U difference. Here, what is this A prime? Am I right? Have you got it? A prime means U difference A. So A prime prime means U difference A prime. Okay? Good. Now U difference, have you seen? What is A prime? A prime means what? A prime means U difference A. Is it? U will be vanished. Minus minus plus. So our answer is A. Please try to understand. So what's the formula now? We have got A prime whole prime is equal to A. A prime whole prime is equal to A. We have two methods to express set. That means two methods. Okay, two methods. Number one, roster, R-O-S-T-E-R, roster or tabular. Roster means what? List. To make a list. Okay. Number two, set builder method. Set builder method. Now, what is roster method? Roster means what? Roster means list. Okay. Suppose number one, we can write here like this. A is a set 1, 2. This is the roster method. Okay. Roster method or tabular method. But if I write here like this, like set builder method A, okay, equal to x belongs to n, okay, and x belongs to n, and 0 less than x less than 3. Have you seen? 0 less than x less than 3. This is called set builder method. What is meant by this? You see, N for natural number. What is N? N for natural number. N for this is N. N means what? All the positive whole numbers. N means what? N means what? All the positive whole numbers. This is Z. This is Z. Z means you know what? Integers. Okay, Z means integers. It starts with 0, plus minus 1. In this way. Integers means all the positive and negative whole numbers including 0. I repeat. Integers means what? All the positive and negative whole numbers including 0. All the positive and negative whole numbers including 0 are integers. N for natural number. All the positive whole numbers are natural numbers. Anyway, now actually what is meant by this? 0 is less than x. 0 less than x. 0 less than x means x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0 but less than 3. How many natural numbers are there? X is greater than 0 but less than 3. How many natural numbers are there? We have 2 natural numbers. We have 2 natural numbers. That means we can write here only 1 and 2. Okay. Now a question to all of you, my dear students, please pay attention. Okay, see. Suppose E equals to x, x belongs to n, and x is an even number. P equals to x, x belongs to n, and x is a prime number. NO means number. A question to all of you, what is E intersection P? E intersection P. Let me know. Can you tell me? Can any of you tell me? E intersection P equals to what? I want to see. E intersection P equals to what? I am not getting answer from you. E intersection P equals to what? E intersection P equals to what? Not getting answer from you. You see. E for what? Even number. Even number means 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even numbers. And P for prime numbers. P for what? Is 1 a prime number? No, 1 is not the prime number. 1 is the unit of real number. 1 is the unit of real number. That means the prime number starts from 2. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay? Now, E intersection P equals to what? Have you seen? We have only 2. here we have answer is, it is only 2. This is called set builder method. Okay, it is to be written in language. Okay, normally the infinite set are written in set builder method, infinite set. Okay. What is A? Can you tell me? Now let me know what are the elements of the set A. What are the elements of the set A? Can you tell me? Okay, you see, five x less than 12, right? That is x less than 12 by 5. That means x less than 2.4. 2.4, less than 2.4, what are the natural numbers? Try to understand. Less than 2.4, what are the natural numbers? What are the natural numbers? Less than 2.4, can you tell me? Less than 2.4, what are the natural numbers? Yes, 1 and 2. You understand? Our answer is 1 and 2. Suppose I am going to write down n. Please try to understand the difference. The difference between these two sets. Here what I have written. Sorry. Here what I have written, only less than. Okay? Only less than I have written. Only less than. Here less than or equal. So what is A? A equals to what? A equals to, it is less than or equal 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is A. Right? From 3 to 7, including 3 and 7. What is B? B equals to what? 3 less than x. 3 less than x. It means x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3. So it will be started from 4. 4, 5, 6. Here less than or equal sign. So 7. Okay. Now, if it is told to write down A intersection B equals to what? What are the common here? What are the common elements here? Have you seen? These are the common. So our answer will be 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and we can also write here B. My dear students, thank you very much that you were with me. Our Honorable Supremo Sir will take a class today at